Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how you can remove Monopoly Go from Facebook. To start, just open your Monopoly Go from your cell phone. Now right here on your home page, you can see at the top right corner the menu page. Just tap on that. And then go to settings. Now right here on settings, just tap on manage account. And then you'll see this Facebook icon and then you'll see disconnect. Just tap on that. So you have to remember that disconnecting your account will prevent you from playing with your friends. So now if you're really sure that you want to disconnect your account from Facebook, just tap on disconnect. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.